it's Chef Matt from the Gourmet Cafe restaurant. Today I'm going to show you how I make my meatballs. Okay guys, so we're doing a meatball cooking class, little video. These are all the ingredients for my meatballs. This is what we call mise en place. So, when I'm making the meatballs, I pinch the bread. I don't use a knife, because when you use a knife and you compress it, it makes the bread hard, and we want this to be light and fluffy. So I'm just ripping it. So I pinch it off, go around like that, and I'm going to do the whole loaf of bread like that. Right? Just pinch off little pieces and it stays nice and fluffy. Like I say, if you use a knife and you cut down like 3 or 4 slices at a time, you end up compacting it and making little hard balls that are going to be in your end product. Okay, the next step, once all that bread is broken up, is we're going to moisten it up. So we're going to add a dozen eggs. And the reason why I crack the eggs into a bowl first is in case the shell goes into the egg, you have the opportunity to get it out before it goes into your meatball mix, because that's a disaster. So that's 4 cups of milk and a dozen eggs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix that. Lightly. I don't want to squeeze the bread, I just want to incorporate the 3 things. And then I'm going to add the meat to that, and then season the meat, and then form the meatballs. So now we're going to add the meat to the bread mix and season the meat. So we have basil, oregano, salt and pepper, minced garlic, not garlic powder, but minced, breadcrumbs, and grated cheese. Oops. So now I'm going to mix that up. Okay, the next step is to roll the meatballs. So we want a nice medium size. We don't want them too big, too small. So now we just very quickly roll them. Don't squeeze them too tight, just kind of form them. Okay, and we're going to make rows up and down, and it goes in the oven for about 25 minutes, 350. Okay, that's how they look when they come out of the oven, nice baked, no splatter on the stove. And we'll put that in a red sauce. Or one of the many ways we plate the meatballs. This one is rigatoni with red sauce. Bon appetit.